Let's create a TV bench together in the PRO100 program. In this program, you can create any furniture you want easily and quickly. If you need help with installing the program, the link is in the description. I've already opened the program and I'm moving to this corner of the room. Click New Element and then click on the left wall. Click twice. We need dimensions: width 18, height 300, depth 300, enter. This is gonna be our left wall of the TV bench. Double click, position, we need all 3 zeros. Center. Ctrl D on your keyboard to make a copy. Ctrl R to open the rotate menu. We need Z axis and I'm rotating this element like this. Now moving it to the floor and to the left. Double click, dimensions. The whole width of our TV bench is 1600 minus this wall and wall here, 18 and 18. Enter. And now Ctrl D on this element and put it here. We need another copy of this element to make a roof. I've created a copy and now hold down the Shift on your keyboard and click on the left wall. Then click Align Tops Y-axis. Okay. In PRO100, you can create absolutely any furniture, including kitchens, wardrobes, and loft furniture. The program also makes it easy to create design projects like this. In my course, I provide step-by-step training on how to design any furniture and entire rooms. From scratch, under my guidance, you will learn how to work in the PRO100 program. We will also learn how to create product drawings, cutting lists, specifications, and estimates, as well as beautiful and presentable image. More details about the course can be found via the link in the description. Now we need another copy of this element. I'm moving it to the bottom and then just stretching it in the height. Nothing has to be red. And one more copy of this element. Now we need 3 equal dimensions for our drawers. So hold down the Shift and click on all of these elements. Then click Distance Centers X-axis, like this. And now we need a drawer. Click on this element and hold down the Shift and select all these 4 elements. Ctrl D to make a copy and I'm moving it to the right and center. Ctrl G to make a group of these elements and then double click dimensions. 400 in width, then Ctrl R, X-axis rotate, and then height 200 and depth 250. And we need the bottom, new element, click here, stretching it, and double click height 4. Now select all and Ctrl G to make a group. I'm holding it, then I'm holding down the Shift on the keyboard and put it here, center. Hold down the Shift, click on the bottom, align front Z-axis, then stretching it like this. Click twice, width -40, and we need to put it in the middle. So I'm writing down +20 and to the bottom +10. We need only front now. Let's do it. I already have this front, took it from my catalog and I'm just moving it here. Dimensions height 300. I'm selecting this element and this element together and Ctrl G to make a group. Now we need 2 more copies. One here and one here. I put some textures already, and our TV bench is ready. If you make furniture, I can create models and product drawings for you. The link is in the description.